Hi guys, so it's been a while since I did a outfit check, so I'm gonna do one today. So this is after church and this is how I styled this dress na available siya sa aming shop, RV Essentials 09. So check it out, visit na siya, okay? So first thing is watch. This is from Casio, and then this cardigan na ginawa kong blazer is from Zara, and this is the dress. So, as you can see, ano siya, strap siya na ganito. So, pwede mo rin siyang alisin yung blazer or yung cardigan. Tapos, pwede din siyang Sunday dress na lang na pang summer talaga, na ganito na lang siya, ganyan. Pero, since gagamitin ko siya pang church, nilagyan ko siya ng cardigan. Ayan. So, mukha na siyang modest, diba? And, ano na siya, pwede na siyang pang church. So, this is the dress. Meron siyang pockets. 2 pockets here. And, so, looks like the bag is from MK, Michael Kors. And then the earrings is I got from Lovisa. Tapos, shoes is from College Spring. Ayan, kulay pink din siya na may silver. Matchy-matchy. So, it's all pink. And the dress is green. Ayan siya, guys. Diba? Yun lang. Cute-cute lang. Cute lang siya, guys. And maganda talaga siya. Yun siya sa likod. Fitted siya here sa top. And then flowy siya at the bottom. Ayan. So, that's the whole outfit available to na dress na to. Or, not this color, but a different color on my page, on our business page. And I'm gonna tag yung page namin, and then also you can order it from there. I'm gonna post yung mga natira pa kasi nabenta na yung iba, so we'll see if there's more. So yan lang, thank you, check out the page, bye. Also, I'm just gonna want to show you guys my nails. Well, nasira na isa. It's also pink. I got it done for the Philippines last time I was there kasi kakabalik ko lang. So, yan. Nag-match din siya sa outfit. Yun lang, guys. So, that's the whole outfit. Kita niyo ba yung shoes? Kailan ng shoes? Take a moment for the shoes. Whole outfit.